Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Buggy. We put this unit through the shop. We completely disassembled it, sandblasted it, repainted it, replaced all of the wear components. This unit is completely rebuilt and is ready to go back to work for a long time. Just do a walk around of the unit so you can see it. Instead of the old mechanical boom system, we upgraded it with this digital setup. Push the on button, it'll cycle through. Capacity is 1,100 pounds, and as you can see, it's zeroed. The feed gate on this unit opens and closes very easily. We're going to put 1 pound on the unit. We have a 1 pound bagger weight here. We put that onto the hopper. As you can see, it's weighing out to 1 pound. Now it looks like the monitor is flickering. That's just because of the camera. In person, it does not flicker at all. Okay, now I'm going to put 2 1 pound weights on it. Now we're setting at 2 pounds. Now I'm going to put this 5 pound weight on it. Now we're up to 7 pounds. And then with the 50 pound weight in it, we're up to 57 pounds. That is with 2 1 pound weights and 1 5 pound weight. And now you can see that we've removed all of the weights. The hopper has no weight on it, and it is now sitting back at 0 pounds. This unit is very easy to move around. We replaced the wheels on it. It has brand new wheels with brand new bearings in them. It even has this nice braking system. If you park it on a hill, that works very well. It's just an all-around nice unit, ready to go back to work and perform for a long time.